Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today I'm going to my school after a long time and I will show you how my school looks during the lockdown. So let's go and check it out together. So this is my village Gosaigaon. It will not take much time to reach my school. It's hardly 2.5 kilometers from my village. So in our area also people are observing the lockdown very nicely. Only small vehicles can be seen running on the street. So I am about to reach my school. Well, this is the school. Finally I have reached the school. This is our school gate. This is the flower of jasmine. This is Ixora. This is periwinkle. Here some small areca palm trees. Here some beautiful white flowers. This is the block of ME section. This is the building of science lab. We have also Atal tinkering lab. This lab started this year only. Look at the beautiful panorama of our school. Wall magazine. Some beautiful rose flowers over there. Let me show you. Here. This is the view of our school during the lockdown.